our last monster video for this little 3-part. There will be more monsters because that's Halloween-y time. And I think they're pretty cool. But I do want to add some Dia de los Muertos stuff and other things to it. But our last, he's not really a monster. He's like a dinosaur, but I'm just saying he's a zombie dinosaur, all right? So bear with me. Just bear. He looks a little chunkier in this one. Holy moly, he does. But we're doing with oil pastels. Again, black or white paper, whatever you guys have, you guys can do. So let's get started. Getting started on our last monster dinosaur. I'm voting for zombie dinosaur. We're gonna do a line. It's a curved line. This is gonna be his tummy, belly area, and bottom of his butt. So you're gonna wanna start tubby and bring it in. It's almost like a teardrop. I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way up. So I'm gonna give him tiny little feet because they look so cute when they're tiny. He's like has this big old belly. Hilarious. And it's like you're drawing a half a moon, sun. I don't know why I keep going to the moon. It's like a sunset. I'll erase that in a second. Give him another little tubby feet. Tubby, small feet. And for his tail, I kind of just curved it, and then, I mean, you could give him a longer tail if you want. And I'm not going to draw his backside because I'm doing a flames there, and I kind of want to see how it looked without drawing that. I mean, on the other one I drew where his back was, and I didn't think I liked that. So I'm going to try without it and see how it looks. Now, as you're sketching, you guys can erase as you go along. I'm going to leave my marks there for right now and then go back to them and erase it towards the end. Or, you can do whatever. We are now going to draw his head. His head's going to be tricky. I feel like it's still kind of off for me, but you guys can work around with it. It's starting off like you're going to do the letter D, because the top of his head is flat. So you're going to draw a straight line, and I'm going to bring it out a little bit more. And then you're going to curve it down like the bottom of the D. That is his head, pretty much. Now, like I said, I'm not going to draw this part, so I'll show you my erasing towards the end, and we can just deal with that. His mouth is kind of like he's slanted, like, ugh, really, again. So it's like a rectangle that didn't make it. I'm horrible at describing things. It's easier because when you guys are here, you'll be like, yo, Miss Jessica, that's... Anyways, what you want to do is also draw, you're going to draw on the outskirts, so not in the belly and not in where, I guess, his cheekbone would be. It's right here on the outside. And you want to draw a curved line. And we're going to round it out. And it doesn't have to be so perfect or straight. And this part, I think I want his mouth to be a little bit smaller. So kind of like a J. I'm going to swoop this down. And we're going to do it diagonal. Got a thought bubble. It will tell me what kind of shape this is. It's a warped rectangle. I don't know how else to describe it to you guys. There's better terms for this. Alright, so erase that inside, and then right here. I think I did draw him a little too tubby. I don't know how he's gonna run away. I mean, he's a T-Rex. He's like the top of the food chain predators, right? Unless he's a flying pterodactyl. No. We're getting ahead of ourselves. So we're gonna give him little arms. Oh, just little tubby arms. Maybe smaller. Yeah. Again, you guys can do whatever you guys want for your arms, your mouth, your eyes, whatever is easiest for you. I mean, if you want to go all out, please. Another arm. I'm not giving him 2 arms, I'm just trying to decide where I want it. I mean, it might change in the areas. Maybe I can do it towards me. I mean, does it mean that I'm giving him small arms? I just think it's so cute. Okay, that's his arm. His eyes. He's kind of grumpy because he's on flames. And he's like, really, again? Quarantine has got to me now. Alright. His eyes. No, his cheeks. I want them a little bit more chunky. There we go. Curved. You gotta get those jugs. Maybe he's like mad because grandma pinched his cheeks. Do you guys grandparents pinch your cheeks? Your aunts? My aunts used to pinch my cheeks. And my sister would do it to me too. Not cool. But I do it too now, so it's like, I think it's when you get older you start pinching cheeks. Anyways, getting ahead. Or getting nowhere at all. So I'm gonna draw his eyes out. And since he's like, really? Is it bro? I don't know. He gets one eye. That eye looks like it was going. That doesn't have to. He's a zombie T-Rex, right? Right? Yes. I will answer my own question. So you got flames. Now your flames don't have to be like all that, because they're like going up. It's like triangles and waves. I mean, you could do whatever you want. Flames. Make him a unicorn. Ooh. I mean, it's like squiggle squaggle. It don't need to be perfect. Now, I was having an issue in deciding how I want his flames to be coming over here on this side, and I still can't decide. So maybe I'll do it as I'm drawing it. Maybe I'll leave it like that for right now, as like a guideline to where the flames are, where it's starting, you know, and all that shenanigans. So here on out, you guys know the drill. You guys are gonna color it. My background is a volcano somewhere along the outskirts here, and then I'm gonna have a lava flowing down. You guys can do whatever you want with your dinosaur. monster, zombie dinosaur, zombie T zombie. We gotta figure out the name. We'll figure it out towards the end. So we're gonna get started on coloring. I'm also gonna erase my art. Well, the lines are darker right now. And yeah, let's do this. Yeah, that blending area, I would do this on black paper if you want a black background, but I mean, you guys can do it. So, last round, right? What did you guys think? Did you guys like him? Was he a little bit harder for you guys? Did you guys like it? Did you like blending out the planes? I mean, right now I can see where I need some more work on it, but you guys did good. I want to see your zombie dinosaur. Monster. We're gonna get him right. I hope to see you guys the next time. And Miss Mary's coming soon, so it'll be fun, right? So we'll see you guys soon. Bye.